In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set slippage on UniSwap. We'll walk through the swap screen and show exactly where to change your slippage tolerance so your trade has the best chance of going through without paying more than you intended. Start by opening your browser and heading to appuniswap.org. Once you're on the homepage, click Trade to open the swap interface. You'll see two main fields. The top field is the token you're selling, and the bottom field is the token you're buying. In the Sell field, select the token you want to trade out of. Use the selector to choose the correct asset, and take a moment to confirm it's the right token, especially if there are similar names. After that, type in the amount you plan to sell. UniSwap will start calculating a quote as soon as there's an amount entered. Now move to the Buy field. Select the token you want to receive. Again, choose carefully to make sure you've got the correct token. You can enter the amount you want to buy or simply let UniSwap calculate it based on what you're selling. At this point, you've set the basic pair and amounts. Next, let's set slippage. Look for the small gear icon near the top right of the swap box next to the Sell section. Click it to open the Settings panel. In this panel, find the option labeled Max Slippage or Slippage Tolerance. By default, UniSwap often sits on Auto, which adjusts your tolerance dynamically. Click Auto to switch to manual entry so you can control the exact percentage. Type in the percent you're comfortable with. Slippage is the maximum price movement you'll accept between when you submit the transaction and when it's confirmed on chain. If you set it too low, the trade might fail in volatile markets. If you set it too high, you risk paying more than you expect. For highly liquid tokens, a small tolerance often works. For more volatile or low liquidity tokens, you may need a higher number. Enter your chosen percentage, then close the settings panel. You'll notice the quote and the minimum received details align with your new tolerance. With your sell token, buy token, amounts, and slippage set, you're ready to proceed with the trade. If you hit errors, try modestly adjusting the slippage or the amount. Keep an eye on the minimum received figure and remember that slippage is your safety net against unexpected price swings while still allowing the trade to complete.